Today we're reviewing this hybrid ultrasonic humidifier. ASAKUKI humidifier. It's got a 2-year warranty. There's 3 ways to top refill easily. Warm mist, skincare, consistent humidity, 5 liters for large room. On the side you can see how it comes together. Looks pretty nice. This humidifier is made for easier breathing for comfortable sleep. So when you open the top of the tank, inside here, you have your instruction manual. Inside this bag you have a remote control for the machine, which is nice. And then this makes it really easy to go fill up in the sink, and then you pop it back in when you're ready to use it. So I'm going to go fill it up so we can test it out. Okay, so the humidifier is plugged in. I'm going to power it on. And you can see it's starting to work right away. Night mode turns it off, the light. It's really working. So this is your mist level. That's low, medium, high. This is the warm mist button. That makes the mist warm. And this is a timer, so you can say how long you want it to work. And this is humidity level. So this is 60% humidity. And that's the ASAKUKI humidifier.